Good morning, Earth scientists. It is Wednesday. It is March 29th today, and we are going to continue our journey on seasons. So, what we have going on today, we'll walk through the slides. So, Miss Anderson was going to show a little Bluey clip, essentially talking about they're celebrating Christmas, and Bluey is in Australia, and they're swimming and it's summertime, but yet they're celebrating Christmas. Just the idea of how seasons are different when we get to the southern hemisphere. So opposite of what we have. So when it's summer here, it's winter there. When it's winter here, it's summer there, and so forth. Talk a little bit about the planet parade that we had looked at yesterday. We will turn in our mini books, our eclipse mini books, and then get into our seasons foldable today. So I can explain what causes our seasons. So here's our do now question. What does cause Earth's seasons? And the main thing that causes, or the main driving factor, is that Earth is tilted. So because of the tilt, that varies sunlight intensity, that varies daylight hours, and so forth. So it all has to do with tilt. If Earth was straight up and down, we'd have 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of darkness. We'd have the same amount of sunlight no matter where we, or same amount intensity of sunlight no matter where we were. So because of that 23.5 degree tilt, that is the huge driving force of seasons. Short video clip that we'll watch, and then we'll get into our activity for the day. It is a vocabulary sort and match. Now, if you're at home, you don't have these flashcards, these vocab flashcards. So I just wanted to show you again one thing that we can do. In Google Classroom, my arrow is out of check here, but in Google Classroom, there is a area at the top that says Space Science Textbook. So even if you're at home, you forget your book, go to Google Classroom, classwork, right at the top, click the book right there, and it'll bring you to the textbook. Brings you to page number 1 of our science, space science book. And then right up here, there is a thing that says go to page. And let's say I had no, and I did this today because I want to do a screenshot. So I don't remember what page the vocabulary was on. So I typed in 149 because page 149 is our lesson review. So say that you know the lesson review is due on Friday and you don't have your book at home. Go online. Okay, it's right there. Click, click, click. You don't need to log in. It's in Google Classroom. It is that easy. And then right here are going to be the vocabulary terms that we're going to put on our foldable. And I did this, like I said, I went in and I did these screenshots right out of the online textbook. I didn't need to log in. I went right to Google Classroom, click, 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 done. So there is going to be a foldable that is going to be attached to the post today, along with the video. You could make this your own, make it on a sheet of paper if you don't have printing capabilities. But the idea is you're going to take those words, you're going to put a word here, a sketch here, you're going to cut along these lines, and then you'll have the flip, the flap, that will open up, and you will put the definition. So you kind of have like a little flip chart to show the different definitions of those words. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back to the slide that I showed you right here. Pause the video. Those are the 7 words that you need on your foldable. You can, and here's kind of shows you what you need to do. So where it says match the words from the plastic bag, you don't have that plastic bag of words, so that you'll use the page that I just showed you. Word, sketch, definition on the inside, and that is that. So that's what you can be working on today, as well as your lesson review. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you when you get back.